What if the next big stock explosion isn't coming from a startup, but from a tech giant we already know? Tesla. With groundbreaking innovation, bold leadership, and a cult-like investor following, Tesla is once again making headlines. But also clean energy, artificial intelligence, and autonomous driving. Over the last few years, the company has posted consistent revenue growth, widened its global footprint, and enhanced its manufacturing efficiency. The Model 3 and Model Y have dominated EV sales globally. And new developments like the Cybertruck and the Optimus robot are capturing investor imagination. Investors around the world have watched the stock climb and sometimes tumble with breathless anticipation. The highly anticipated Cybertruck has seen multiple delays, and challenges in scaling new factories like Giga Berlin or Giga Texas have introduced logistical and cost pressures. Add to that Musk's unpredictable public behavior, which can move the stock up or down in seconds. Their bullish case is built on global EV adoption accelerating, autonomous driving breakthroughs, in Tesla's strong expansion in emerging markets like India, Southeast Asia, and Eastern Europe. Tesla's ability to enter high-volume markets with cost-effective models, like the rumored 25,000 EVs, could unlock an entirely new wave of growth. And it's clear that investing in Tesla still involves a high tolerance for risk. In recent weeks, Tesla's stock has shown bullish patterns, breaking resistance levels and gaining strong momentum. Volume spikes suggest institutional buying interest is returning. If the stock holds above key support zones and continues to post strong earnings, we could be looking at a breakout setup in the second half of 2025. For short-term traders, volatility is both a risk and an opportunity. For long-term investors, the combination of strong leadership, global expansion, and disruptive innovation makes Tesla one of the most fascinating companies on the planet. Or are we witnessing the peak of the hype cycle? And if you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video on stocks, investing, and market trends. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at Tesla versus Nvidia, and which stock is better positioned for the AI-powered future. For long-term investors, these are encouraging signs. But with Tesla, it's never just about the numbers. It's about the vision. It also faces real challenges, from competition to production delays and regulatory uncertainty. The upside is massive, but so is the risk. If Tesla continues delivering on its promises, the stock could very well be poised for another massive move upward. Its in-house Dojo AI training system could bring a second wave of excitement and valuation potential. These are industries where even a small market share could translate into billions in revenue. This is a company that continues to tell a compelling story, solving climate change, advancing AI, revolutionizing transportation. People don't just invest in Tesla for financial returns. They invest in the future it promises. And that level of brand loyalty from both consumers and investors is extremely rare. Its ability to adapt quickly, scale fast, and innovate continuously gives it a unique edge. The company's vertical integration, controlling everything from batteries to software, allows it to make bold moves competitors can easily match. They argue that while Tesla is still a great company, it may no longer be a cheap stock, and the easy money may have already been made. For instance, Tesla's full self-driving software, although still in beta, could represent one of the most valuable AI products in the world if fully realized. The company's push into AI robotics and energy storage could open up entirely new multi-billion-dollar markets. This is why some analysts argue that Tesla is still undervalued despite its already massive market cap. Led by the ever-controversial Elon Musk, Tesla has become a symbol of innovation, volatility, and high-stakes opportunity in the modern stock market. But here's the real question. Is Tesla stock gearing up for a massive breakout, or are we standing at the edge of a risky cliff? Join me as we dive deep into the numbers, news, market psychology to uncover if Tesla's stock is about to explode or implode. Tesla isn't just a car company anymore. It's a cultural and financial phenomenon that has disrupted not only the auto industry. So, what's driving all the buzz? For starters, Tesla's fundamentals are strong. Tesla's Q2 results alone showed a substantial increase in vehicle deliveries, margin improvement, and a record-setting quarterly revenue figure. However, there's another side to the story, one that cautious investors can't ignore. Tesla's stock is extremely sensitive to external factors. Market volatility, interest rate hikes, and macroeconomic uncertainty have all caused wild price swings in the past. The company also faces fierce competition from legacy automakers like Ford, GM, Toyota, and even tech-focused EV makers like Rivian and BYD. With government incentives for EVs constantly changing, regulation remains another wild card. Production issues are another area of concern. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite all these headwinds, Tesla keeps outperforming. Analysts are split on what comes next. Some believe that Tesla is on the verge of another major rally. Others, however, remain skeptical. They point to Tesla's high price-to-earnings ratio, current valuation, and the sheer number of competitors entering the EV and energy markets. Still, a key reason why Tesla remains so attractive is the narrative. Let's look at some technical indicators. Moreover, Tesla's expansion into AI robotics, especially with the Optimus humanoid robot. In the end, whether Tesla's stock is about to explode depends on your time horizon and risk appetite. Let's recap. Tesla has an ambitious vision, strong financials, and a growing product portfolio. Now it's your turn. What do you think? Is Tesla's stock about to explode in 2025? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.